Hello and welcome back to our channel. My name is Akib and I am a freelance web developer. In today's video, I will show you how to install inotify in cPanel. जिसको नहीं पता कि notify क्या है, notify is a powerful tool that monitor real-time file event system. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log in your cPanel. So this is my cPanel dashboard. Scroll down a little bit and click on, let me show you, click on Perl modules, PERL modules. Okay, here search inotify Linux, inotify 2, because this is an upgraded version of inotify. So let's search. Okay, as you can see, we have to install these three ones. First is a main and other two are dependency of this main inotify. So click on install and install. Okay, so now if we go back in installed modules, we should see inotify. So these are my installed modules. Scroll down a little bit. Here you can see inotify 2 has been installed. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.